USA, USA, United States of America, hooray! Big and fun come along today. Guess what could it be? I see a lady tall and free. She holds a torch for you and me. Guess, what could it be?
The Statue of Liberty.
A bridge so red across the bay. Cars and buses go each day. Guess, what do I say?
The Golden Gate Bridge.
A castle shines with magic bright. Mickey waves with pure delight. Guess, what's this song?
Disney World.
A canyon big, so deep and wide. Rivers carve the rocks inside. Guess, take a ride.
Grand Canyon.
Trees so tall they touch the sky. Birds and bears come walking by. Guess, oh my, oh my.
Yellowstone.
Waves go splash, flowers too. Sunshine, hula, sky so